Hey guys, what's going on? This is your boy Luke, man. Today I have something very interesting to share with you guys. Can you guys see my shirt? That's Two Comma Club. Two Comma Club. Let me give you a brief story about this Two Comma Club. Two Comma actually means those that are making up to $1 million a year. How did I become part of this? Sometimes back in May, actually in March, I attended FHL, which is Funnel Hacking Live in Orlando, Florida. And of course, you guys must have known about ClickFunnels, owned by, or rather founded by Russ Brunson, who of course is my mentor. So in March of this year, 2018, I attended the event, the Funnel Hackers Live, and I was sitting in there, and I saw people. They called them onto the stage, and these were people that were making up to $2 million in their businesses already. I was like, what? How is that possible? So I listened to everything as it was going on. They were given their award for making $2 million, and an opportunity started. An opportunity presented itself for people that were in the audience to be part of the club where those guys are being trained to be an entrepreneur, and that will be able to make up to $2 million a year. Or rather, $1 million a year. Rather, $1 million a year. Two Comma Club is $1 million a year. I was like, whoa. At the time, I was making maybe like $4,000 a month, doing, nursing job. And I was like, you know what? I'll take a risk. I'll be part of this. And guys, in March, I joined the Two Comma Club X. And today is September. What date is it? September the 6th. And I can guarantee that between that time and now, between March and now, because it took me a while, even after joining the Two Comma Club X coaching club, it took me a while to finally quit my job. I quit my job on the 3rd of May, 2018. And between that time and now, I did not take my entrepreneurial job, or rather think seriously, until around June. And I'm going to show you guys some stats, okay? Between June and now, I've made over $20,000. And as of last week, I've signed another contract for over $58,000. And I'll show all of that to you guys, all right? I want you guys to believe me. And I will let you know, how is this possible? How did I make it? Because I used to, hear all this, online before, and all this, I think they were lying. But when you follow the process and you have someone like Russell Brunson to be your coach and your mentor, I think it's possible. And I'll show you guys. Okay, guys, let's do this. We are both gonna go. We're gonna go to ClickFunnels, or rather, we're gonna go to Stripe right quick. Okay, I want to show you guys my accounts just to make sure that to let you guys see that I'm not lying to you. I don't have any reason to lie. If you've been following me for a while, you will understand that I was in nursing. I was a registered nurse. I was in nurse anesthesia school. I dropped out. Now I'm doing my entrepreneur thing, and so we're signing into Stripe right now. Of course, you guys can see my sign-in. It doesn't bother me. See, it says Lookman Funnel. I'm just crazy about these funnel things. And let's sign in. I want you guys to look at this, okay? This is between actually taking this. They're going to send me a code to put on here. And I'm going to block this so you guys do not go back and try to use the code. Okay, so we're signing in. The code is not right. Let's try it again. Okay, got you. Signing in now to Stripe. You guys know Stripe is the payment gateway that most of us who ClickFunnels use, and some other people, even if you it's all right. So see this right now, guys. Do you guys see this right here? $21,985. That's the recent payout was $940, which was about 14 days ago. 62 successful payments. All right. This is all mine, guys. This is from me attending Funnel Hackers Live last year and being part of the Two Comma Club X coaching club. Till date, I've made over $21,985. and I would like for each and every one of you guys to take advantage of it. There is something Russell Brunson and a whole bunch of other marketers, this Russell right here, there's something they're trying to give back to the community by doing a 30-day challenge. It's called 30-day summit, where you learn from the top marketers out there for free. When I went to Funnel Hackers Live last year, this year in March, I had to pay about $970 to get in. But you have access to attending this. This was Dan. I know this guy very well. It was given this award at Funnel Hackers Live for crossing over $1 million. I guarantee by this time around next year, I will be there as well. But here's what happened. Look at all these people making over $1 million only by attending or by being part of the Two Comma Club X coaching club. But for you today, you don't have to go through all that. For the next 30 days, Russell Brunson is bringing all these marketers. I know all these people personally. Is bringing all of them for the next 30 days. Myron Golden, I know this guy, Penn June. You guys know Penn June. If you don't know him, go look him up. Dan Henry. All of these people, Russell Brunson is bringing all of them for the next 30 days. They're going to be teaching you everything they know about marketing that will help you be on your way to making. Will this ever make any difference in your life? Almost $22,000. Will it make any difference in your life? This was me back in March. I was still making about $4,000 as a registered nurse a month. In May, I quit my job May 3rd. And today, I started taking action somewhere around June, end of June. Between June and today, which is the 6th of September, I have $21,985. And I run my own digital agency company, which is viraladmedia.com. All right. This is mine right here. And through these, as of last week, I've been able to sign another contract that is worth over over $58,000. All right. So that's what I want to share with you guys. If you want to be part of this 30-day challenge, so you can learn from each and every one of these marketers right here, they will teach you everything they know for free for the next 30 days. All you need to do is to click on the link below. Click on the link below. That will take you to this site where you can register with your email. Only with your email. You don't need no credit card, whatever. Only with your email. Register with your email to attend this 30-day summit. This will change your life, guys. If you do not take advantage of this, that means you're not serious about making money online and you're not serious about becoming a marketer. If I were you, I would click on that link below right now. Go to that website and register for this 30-day summit free of charge. Have all these people dump their knowledge on you on how they've been able to make over $1 million a year in their businesses. And this is possible, guys. If I have not done this, I wouldn't have thought it's possible. But I guarantee it's possible. And I want you guys to be part of this. I want the best for you. Go ahead and click on the link below. Go register for the 30-day summit and get all this content, all this free content that will help you becoming a successful entrepreneur that you want to be without having to pay a dime. All right, I wish you guys well. And I hope someday you are going to come back to this channel and say, thank you, Luke, man. I appreciate you referring me to the 30-day summit, which I attended for free. And now I'm doing pretty well in my entrepreneurial journey, and I'm moving up to be part of the Two Comma Club. All right. If you guys have any questions, leave your comment below and I will be able to answer all those comments. All right. You have a good one.